On the 12th of December 2023, viral content highlighted the Lumdiengjri Traffic Police's commendable efforts in addressing road safety. A notable initiative included using resources strategically, such as sand from a police vehicle, to effectively address hazardous potholes along the Lumdiengjri highway near the police station. Despite receiving praise, the PWD road section seems unaware of the deteriorating road conditions in the capital city, with no apparent plans to tackle the growing road issues and persistent presence of potholes on major routes.